What is this?
Eyes.
This one.
Leg.
This one.
Mouth.
This.
Ears. Teeth.
This one.
Hand.
Okay. And yes. Oh, what is that? This one.
Microphone. Glasses. Earrings.
Very good.
Teeth.
Very good.
Watch.
Very good.
Shoes.
Very good. Oh, can you saan to ginagamit? Saan to ginagamit? Na parts ng body. Anong gamit? Saan to ginagamit? Saan to ginagamit? Sa eyes ba?
No.
Saan? Saan to ginagamit?
Mouth.
Mouth. Connect mo nga. Connect mo dali.
Wait.
I-connect mo dali.
Wait.
Wait a minute.
Mommy, help. I can open it.
Color na choose any color.
Pink.
Oh, go.
Pink.
Saan ginagamit ito?
A microphone.
Saan to ginagamit?
Mouth.
Very good. Connect mo nga. Very good. Eto eyeglasses. Saan to ginagamit, Nak? Saan to ginagamit, Diana?
Eyes.
Very good. Connect mo nga. Anong color gusto mo? Any color.
Brown.
Go.
Where is she? I can't see. Brown. Fuzzy brown.
Very good. O, ito. Ano to?
Earring.
O, saan ginagamit tong earrings?
Flowers.
No, saan ginagamit? Anong body part? Saan dito ginagamit? Sa eyes?
Ears.
Sa ears. So, connect mo nga, bilis. Very good. You're using purple. Very good. Etong brush, saan ginagamit to?
Teeth.
Very good. Pag dirty ang teeth, anong ginagawa?
Pink.
Hindi, pag dirty yung teeth mo, anong ginagawa mo?
Purple.
Go. Anong ginagawa pag dirty ang teeth?
Brush your teeth.
Very good. Brush.
Teeth.
Brush your teeth. Ganun.
Wait, toothpaste?
Yes, may toothpaste siya. O, itong watch. Saan to ginagamit, Nak?
Hand.
O, hand. Lagay mo nga.
Okay.
Anong oras na?
Yellow.
Anong oras na, Nak?
Yellow.
Okay. Anong oras na? Anong oras na?
Yellow.
Oras na. What time is it na? Anong oras na?
Clock.
3 o'clock, mo?
3 o'clock.
No, it's 7 o'clock na.
7 o'clock.
Yes. Oh. Ito. Ano to?
Shoes.
Saan to ginagamit?
Leg.
Legs. Nilalagay sa legs daw. Hindi, sa feet. Ganun. Put mo na yan. Connect mo na para makapag-shoes na siya.
Wait, it's the feet. Wait. Do it. Squash.
Yes.
Spirits.
Connect mo na siya para saan ginagamit.
Orange.
Oh.
Smells.
Yeah, very good. Say bye-bye na. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, teacher.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't subscribe.